Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today is a manipulation video. So let's see how the picture will look like after edit. This one is the raw image without any face edit and without any edit. And this one is after face edit. So let's start the editing. First of all, I select the face with the magic selection tool. After that, I will use a selective color to make the face red. Color changing is done. Before I download a file image, now I am doing the exact thing, the manipulation. That's the real thing of this video. As I said before, we must have the idea what the picture will look like after editing. So I have that idea, and I am doing the thing step by step, because for manipulation edit we have to do it step by step. If we don't do that, the whole thing, the whole of your work will be go in vain. That's why you must be careful. As you can see, I started from the lips. You can start it from the heads also. It's up to you. It's your wish, whatever you want. I feel comfortable, so I started from the lips. Yeah, I started from the down. You will see that I am doing it part by part. If I don't do that, then all the layers will be mixed up, and they will look like unrealistic, and it's don't look so good. That's why I'm doing it part by part. Yeah, for that they will look some realistic picture. Okay, you can see I use the fire picture several times because I have to do it part by part, because if I don't do that, all the layers will mix up and the picture will be will not look so good. That's why you have to, for manipulation edit, you must have the idea what the picture will look like, and how you can make the picture realistic. Because whenever we are doing manipulation edit, the picture don't look realistic. That is the main thing. You must your focus must be on the picture, must be realistic. Do whatever you want, but the picture must be realistic. That is the thing. Doing all of this, I use a different color, so the people so the concentration of the people will go there, and it's also gives a shade to the fire, so that's why the fire don't look unrealistic, and it's make the picture beautiful. That's why I use this. If you don't, you don't use that if your picture don't need that, because I thought my picture need that. That's why I use this. If you want to see the picture, go to my Instagram ID. It's the link given the description. Go there and see that what the picture actually looks after editing.